assign. But yeah. All right. So continuing on where we left off. On last stream, that was I think a week ago. We skipped one day because I had to go to a different city.
Yeah.
But yeah. Moving on. Let's see. We were working on the uses and gear page. So this is the uses page, right? And this is the gear page. Let's check it out. Here we go. So I'm just bragging of all of the money that I spent on,
Exactly.
on expensive equipment. Even though I'm not a professional, there's no justification regarding my spending. But yeah, we were working on this page. So let's go back and see. This is the software tools.json. So everything is it's a Jamstack. Aaron, let's go.
Hey, Aaron.
So it's Jamstack sites, right? So everything, there's no database or anything like that. We have JSON files and we have our all of the data packed inside of the repo itself, right? So here we have the software tools and the gear as well. We do want to keep adding stuff. I think we're pretty much good for the gear. I think some of the software tools are missing, but yeah. Here is the page, and what we did last time is we get the data from the static props, right? We get the data, and then we did this awful thing of looping through all of the tools and preparing the map, right? And then we got the categories here. So what I think we should do, because this is going to happen every single time the user lands on the page, and that's not cool, right? That is definitely not cool. So this is not going to change unless the data changes, right? So maybe it's smarter to actually keep this here and then pass the props, pass the data and categories in there, right? So we got the tools here, but let's name this tools data, right? So we don't have these conflicts here, and we'll call these tools. The map itself is going to be the tools.
Yeah, we'll need to rename
so,
them.
yeah, let's just do this real quick. There we go. Tools. The tools now need to be a map.
Aaron says the background music might be a tiny bit loud.
Oh, okay. Let's try to change that. Let's hop in here. This is okay. I'm gonna tone it down. How's now? Yeah, let me know if it's too loud now.
Yeah.
Okay, so tools. The tools are now, instead of an array of tools, now it's a map of string key and an array of tools. Hey, JSarts.
Ayo.
Decent. Should we go even? Yeah, let me know if we should go. If we should tone it down more. And as you can see, we also need to import the categories, which is going to be an array of strings, right? So let's just do that. Categories, string array. Beautiful. We'll add it here. This data thingy is not really data, it's tools.get. This is sound. We want to send the categories as well. And there we are, guys. Hey, just chilling, coding some stuff. Right? Okay, so what we did now is, instead of chunking and preparing the data for the categories and the tools every time the user lands on the page, we're going to do this on the build time. So only once.
Yep.
Because it's not going to change unless I do a push, a git push with a change in the software tools.json file, right? So since we're doing a git push, that means it's not going to change between two pushes. So it only makes sense to actually do this here.
Yeah, especially because this is a Jamstack website. So
exactly. Yeah. So we're going to do the same thing for the gear page as well, because it's how these two pages are pretty much the same, right?
Yep.
So gear, we wanted to do the
gear data.
So gear data. Oh god damn. All right. that's actually smart. All right, cool. So gear data for each. Remove this thing as well. And instead of data, we'll do gear here.
I think in the props you need to just send gear.
Yeah. Oh goddamn! Wait a minute. Gear for each. No, it's actually gear data for each. Exactly. All right. All right. Cool. So in here we are passing the gear, right, and also the categories.
Yep.
And let's also change. You know, make the props better now. So instead of an array of gears, we'll do a map, and categories is a string array. What am I doing? All right, there we go. And also import the categories. Yeah, it's a bad day, guys.
Yeah.
And do the gear here. All right, let's see.
That should be it.
Doesn't complain. Let's go back and try to see. Cannot read properties of undefined. That can be it. All right, so we're in the uses page here, right? Please only return JSON serializable data types. Oh, goddamn. All right, so we can't pass a map. Right, we can't pass a map. So it needs to be a JSON serializable data. Okay, so we could serialize this as a string, pass it as a JSON string here, and then deserialize it here. That would work too, right?
Yeah. That's a bit...
Right, or we could change the map instead of doing a map.
You'll have to stringify it.
Yeah. Let's try that, you know, let's just try that. Here's the tool, so we'll just do tools equals json.stringify.
Yep.
Tools, right?
So now we have to
change this to a string and then do the
const,
instead of tools, let's name this
tools.
What? Tools?
We already used tools data.
Tools data is already taken, so what am I?
Tools.
No. Serialized tools. Why not?
Yeah, sure.
So these are serialized tools. And then we'll do tools equals json.parse serialized tools as, and then do the map thingy as a map of string and then an array of tools. Is this going to make sense? Tools.get is not a function.
Oh.
Okay, then what are the actual tools? So let's see. Sources. We are in the uses DSX.
I think it's called, why is it just uses?
Let's just reload. All right, uses.tsx. And what is uses? The hell is this?
All
right, console.log tools. There we go.
Yeah, I don't think it has parsed it. Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't even log. Maybe.
Yeah, it doesn't even load. Even though we output it here, it doesn't load. Okay, so that's a.
Let's comment it or something.
Alright, so we got the tools. We can try to serialize them, but maybe that doesn't work. What if we use instead of a map, what if we use, but the order wasn't important, right?
Yeah.
So why don't we just
yeah, maybe we should just do that, yeah.
Let's see now, compiling. Yeah, it's empty. It is empty tools. Okay. Okay, tools data. That's tools data, right? Why don't we log out the tools data first?
Yeah.
And see what's up.
So
we got tools data.
Yeah.
Right? But then serialization doesn't happen, right? So it's probably the JSON stringify cannot actually serialize the map. What if, for example, instead of doing a map of this type, what if we did just an ordinary object right? Where the key is going to be the string. What was the syntax? God damn.
Oh yeah, we need to
JavaScript
check
define,
this.
No, actually TypeScript define type key.
Key, yeah.
Oh man, it's a map types. There we go. Key equals string
Yep.
and string. All right, so
Key
is a string, and then the tool array is the value. So
You don't need the
I'm
map.
just gonna do an empty object for now. Instead of doing a get,
Yep.
we can use this thing again, and let's do tools of category equals an empty string, right? And then instead of doing a set, we wanna push this thing right here, and then add the last tool. Beautiful. Okay, so tools, right? It's an object that contains a key which is a string, and a tool. So array from keys, right? And keys doesn't exist now, so we should probably do object.keys. God damn.
Yeah.
And then we got the categories here.
So let's log them, I guess, or just go with it.
No, I mean we can simply pass this thing because it can be serialized. The map for some reason can't be serialized, but I guess the tools by themselves, the object can be.
Yeah.
So we just need this type. Let's try, instead of doing the parse here, we want to do tools, and then this is going to be the. Hey, thanks for the follow, FM Oliveira.
Heyo.
Thank you. All right, so instead of get,
We're just gonna.
another thing here. Yeah, we want to get the category.
Yeah, it is.
All right, so yeah, let's check it out. God damn, what am I refreshing? Let's check it out, because an object itself, an object itself can be serialized, but map, not really. Right, so lesson learned. Let's go back.
Yeah, dude, this is so cool.
Let's go back to the gear page and do the same thing. Here, instead of a map, we want to keep it simple, guys. Always under engineer.
Yeah.
So we're talking about gear here, right?
Yep. And it's such a like specific problem that you only like encounter like 5 times in your like lifespan of a programmer, but it's so cool when you like, you know, find a solution. You need a key.
There we go.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, you put the key.
Okay, we don't need this thing, and there we go. Awesome.
And now we need object of keys.
Object.keys. Beautiful. Because object.keys doesn't return a string array. Oh, it actually does.
Nice.
Guys, beautiful. Alright, so let's not do an array of an array, because it's an array in the first place, right? And let's also get this piece of type, and then just do this. Then we should be good, right?
Yeah. I'm glad you're interested in Chakra, Oliveira, by the way. We all do Chakra around these parts, so yeah.
Yeah, this is a chakra zone.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay, let's check out the gear page now.
Nice.
Let's do a reload. Beautiful. Let's turn the lights on, just watch the eyes. Okay, cool. Alright, beautiful. And that's what we wanted to start off with, right? I think it's like, it's starting to become a tradition. We do some stuff now in this stream, right?
Yeah.
Then we get tired at around 9 p.m. and then we stop the stream.
Yeah.
And the next stream, you know, we have a few nights of good night's sleep to actually figure out where we messed up. And then the next stream, we are starting it off with a refactoring of some of the
previous
some
code.
of the previous, ugly code that we did. We might not beautify it, but we'll make it more optimized.
Yep.
And that's cool. Yeah, that's a cool way to do the optimization. So let's just push this. Optimized data fetching for users and gear page. Beautiful. Push. Yeah, Aaron, thank you.
Yeah, like Aaron says, it's time to open up your chakras.
So, beautiful. We got that working. So what's next, guys? This is going to be something super cool. The next thing we want to do is the blog page, right? So the next thing we want to do is the blog page. So we have two blog pages. First one is the one that we enumerate all of the blog posts, and there is a search bar here, and also the actual blog post itself. So there's going to be a lot of MDX here. I plan on, if I write, I plan on writing directly in my repo. So no backend or anything like that. Everything is going to be packaged up. And we are going to use MDX for this and overwrite the markdown components with Chakra components, right? So the title, the text, the lists and everything, that should be Chakra components, but I'm going to write them in Markdown. And yeah, we'll get to it. First, let's start with kicking off with the blog page, right? So pages, blog, beautiful, right? So const blog equals an empty React component, yada yada yada, export default blog, beautiful, right? So let's import some stuff from Chakra UI React, and that would be the heading first.
Yep.
That would be the text. Then we have an input field.
Input field, yeah.
What else do we have?
Do you have an icon? So how do you plan? Like input left add-on or?
Yeah, I don't know. This is the search line. Yeah, we'll find some. We'll find something.
Okay.
So we want to do input group and input left add-on or element. Element. It's actually element. Yeah. The add-on is. Or wait a minute. No, it's actually the add-on. Right? Let's just.
Well, yeah. Let's just check the
verify.
Chakra. Yeah.
Dark mode, guys.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
Next.js is also like really useful for like blogs and something similar to a blog.
All right. So the add-on is actually this.
Oh,
right, so
yeah.
we don't need an add-on. We need an element.
Exactly.
Beautiful. Element. There we go. So let's see how we did the other pages, because everything is pretty much the same, right? We have a VStack with the spacing of 16. We have a VStack with a spacing of 20. We have a VStack with a spacing of 16. Beautiful. I feel like this is always the case, right? So let's just, this is with full align items stretch. Align items stretch.
Yep.
Okay. Maybe we should like refactor this and put it into the layout itself.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking as well.
Yeah. What if we did, let's check the design. So, goddamn, what am I? All right, so 64 pixels, right? Between those two. And 80 pixels between these. What if we did this 64?
I don't think there's that big of a difference. Maybe.
Yeah. I mean, the idea is to actually have it like unified. So we'll do 16 here, but then also
let's remove it as well.
I don't know, man. I mean, we'd have to in that case we'd have to make an empty fragment.
Yep.
But I think an empty fragment beats the VStack in all of the ways. So we have the box here. Let's just add the VStack here. Import it. Oh, we also have it. Beautiful. Now, in all the pages, we'll just do an empty fragment, right?
What about the align items?
We'll check it out later. Okay. And users page. Align items stretch, was it? Yeah.
Yep.
And let's go back to the blog. There we go. And we can do a heading component here. What was the heading? MD. Size MD. The title was blog. Okay. This is a VStack with 3 spacing. It's also imported. Blog, and then we do a little text here.
A little
font
description.
Size, MD. Copy paste it because we're lazy. And then we have the item, the search input. So we'll do an input group. Inside of that input group, we will do an input left element, which is going to, what was it? Was it like render or element? Children.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, children, and then also important pointer events none.
Yep. So
yeah, so it's like really important to actually have that, because when you click on the search icon, it will not select the input, and that's what we want. So React icons, let's see a beautiful search icon. All right. There's a good search icon.
I think we're using are these the hero icons or?
These are the hero icons, yeah.
Yeah, I think we're using it on most pages actually.
Yeah. React icons, HI. Like, we prefer the hero icons.
Yep.
Aaron says, I prefer to nest the elements instead of the children prop. What do you mean? Like, do this, basically. Right? And then we'll do an icon as this. Right, Aaron? This is what you think, right? What is the color of this? This is what? A0, AEC0. So that'll be like 200. No? 100? 15. That's definitely not 50.
Yeah, it's a little bit darker.
No, it's 400.
400, okay.
Alright, so color gray 400. And then we'll do the input. We'll control it later. Placeholder. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's like a one-liner. I guess that's like the general idea behind it.
Yeah.
What is the placeholder? Search articles. I copied this as well. So lazy. Alright, so let's check out the blog page. There we go.
Yeah, it's actually spot on. Yeah.
No, the alignment is actually off, but let's check this out. Oh, and actually, variant ghost.
Oh yeah.
Because we want to be scary. Ooh, what is that? What? Why is it like?
Was there a variant ghost? It's
something is going on with the input. Is it?
Wait. Did we put it on the input? Yeah, we did.
Oh, dude.
Did they remove it?
No, it's actually different.
Oh, okay.
It's actually different. Let's see. Field. All right, beautiful. So ghost doesn't exist, but we want to do field. Beautiful.
I don't know why I remember using a ghost. Maybe
buttons are ghost. This one is a field. Yeah. I mean, it's different, right? We can see there's a background now.
Yep.
But there's no background on the ghost button unless you hover on it.
Yeah. So it makes sense. Yeah.
All right, cool. There's the search articles. There's everything. And we are ready, right? And then we'll just enumerate the blog post. But we'll make the the infrastructure first.
Yep, because
nice alignment.
Oh yeah.
Let's see now. There's the heading. Here's the stack. And this stack is this stack. So we'll do align items, flag start. And
beautiful.
we're good to go. And let's hit it down. All right. We got the stack now, right? Then we have another VStack here. VStack. Should we do lists? I feel like we should do lists. Yeah, let's do lists.
Yeah, let's do a list.
We'll do a list from Chakra UI, not layout, but yeah. A list and then a list item. Yeah, maybe it's like better for accessibility. Let's see. 48. Was it like gap or spacing?
I think it's spacing.
Yeah, spacing. 48 divided by 4 is 12.
Yep.
Here we go. And inside
We'll have
loop through the blog posts. And we'll render a custom component, right?
Okay.
But first,
I think it's best if we take on how we import the blog posts first.
yeah. We're just going to do the import first. So get static
Props.
props. Beautiful. Let's define our type first. So it'll be posts.
Yeah, which is an array of a blog post. Yep.
Blog posts. Should we like do a blog post or article? Because I've written article.
Yeah, let's do the article because.
But blog post is like more natural, like without thinking. I can say blog post without thinking.
Yeah.
Let's keep it blog posts, and we'll do
Sure.
search blog posts.
Yep.
I'm going to copy this again.
Yeah.
Okay, and let's also define the type.
Yep.
Blog posts. TS export type. Blog post, and we should have a title for it. We should have a little description, or what was the name? What is the name of this?
Excerpt.
Excerpt. Yeah. What was that?
Excerpt.
Excerpt,
Yeah,
something like this.
Yeah. Let's just Google it. I think it's like that.
Excerpt. Yeah.
Nice.
Excerpts. What else do we have? We want to do also slug,
Yep.
right? So we can navigate it, and also dates,
Date.
right? Date published.
And for those who don't know, excerpt
I'll
is
just do
like
date.
a short description, basically.
Yeah, like a little sneak peek.
Yeah.
That's usually truncated at the end. And that would be it, right? We got the slug, we got the title and excerpt, and the date. Beautiful. So let's just import our blog post, isolate the local imports from the third-party imports. Always. All right. And then we'll do export const get static props, props equals async, and there we go. Right, so return props. Those props will be of type props, and we will do the posts in there, right?
Yep.
And now we just want to define the posts. Let's keep it like this for now. Sorry. And beautiful. So we got the data here, right? Those blog posts should have a directory of their own.
Yep. Yeah.
So should we keep it at data? I don't think so. Or like maybe outside of it.
Maybe let's keep it outside. Or if you want to do it in data, I suggest separating the JSONs from the MDX files,
Yeah.
so it doesn't get too confusing. I mean,
No, just do
yeah.
blog posts like this, right? And then we'll do, I don't know, something. Tests.ts, MDX.
Yeah.
We want to do the front matter first.
Yeah.
So let's check out the Chakra doc site because it's set up in a really amazing way. So let's see, pages, blog, all right. Let's see where do we get the blog posts from. Content path slug, content path, blog. Okay.
Uh-huh.
All right, let's see.
But that is for a specific like blog post.
Yeah, but that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking for. Or maybe we can try. I have a repo. Let's see.
Oh yeah.
Was it like this? No.
Oh, I forgot.
Come on now.
I think it's this one, the first one. Chakra UI learn.
Yeah, that's actually the one. Yeah, beautiful. All right, so I started working on this way back months ago, but I never actually got to publish it.
Yeah, it's
It's a
actually
cool
a
little
sick
project.
website.
Well, let's
Check it out. Yeah.
Here we go, guys. Dark mode. All right, so the idea was like you get a lot of posts here. This is a progress bar right there. When you click on it, you'll see the guide here. So you're like following along, right? And this is the index getting started page. Are you ready? For example, yes, submit. There we go. You got it right. So next installation. And then let's do it. Yeah. You got 15 points. Beautiful, right? You can see that you're pretty much halfway there.
Yep.
And yeah, adding custom theme, optional packages, and there we go. You have finished the getting started guide, and you can tweet this. And when you press tweet, check it out. I've got 45 Chakra UI points on Learn Chakra UI.
That's sick.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I never got to actually push this, but I have some super cool MDX magic here, and we can dig, and there we go. You can see that getting started is done now. Yeah, let's check this out. Tutorials getting started. Raw, and then there we have it.
Yep.
This is the front matter, and this at the bottom is the actual blog posts, right? So we're gonna do title, testing MDX installation or setup. Never mind. Description, no, not really. We don't need a description.
Yeah.
We wanna do date, right? The date. How should we like display the date, or should we like automate it somehow? I'm not sure.
Is it?
No, that's under engineer everything.
Yeah.
Right? So that would be like 25th of September, 2021. These two are gone. So just title and date. Oh, and also slug.
Slug.
Or no, the slug will be. We can get the slug from the file itself, right? So it'll be just test without the format.
Okay.
Without the file format, right? So let's just copy paste this.
Yeah. For testing purposes.
Yeah. And there's a test MDX. Beautiful. Let's get rid of all of these things. Right. So now we want to get all of those files, right? We want to enumerate them, read them, and get the front matter.
Yep.
Only that. And the slug, right? So that's what we're after. So how should we do this? Let's go back and see how I did it previously in this project.
Yeah. And is this open source, by the way?
Not right now.
Oh,
It's a private one.
Yeah, because it's not finished.
Check it out. 3 months ago. Yeah. Crazy. All right. So tutorials, index. So this is where I'm enumerating them, right?
Yep.
What do we want to do here is list tutorials. Beautiful.
This is a custom.
Yeah. So I'm getting the server runtime config to do the project root. I'm not sure why I actually do this. But nevertheless, yeah, path.join with the project root and tutorials, right? So that would be the directory. And of course, a utility function, read blog posts.ts. It's going to be an async, definitely. We're going to import these things right here.
Yep.
And humanize. We don't actually need humanize. Humanize is a cool thing. You can derive the title from the file name from the slug itself, right? It's the opposite of slugify.
Yeah.
Right. You get a sentence and you slugify it, but with humanize you
do the opposite.
You do the opposite of slugify.
Yeah.
Let's just do this for now, and we should also install the gray matter. gray matter package, right? And
I don't think we need the get config in this case. I think in the
Yeah.
other utils we did something similar.
yeah, but we can, yeah, it's always the
Yeah.
roots of the
Yep.
of the file. So let's do dir equals path.join, and this would be process.cwd, and then also blog posts. This is the directory, right? Then we do the read directory, tutorial directories, but these are a second level, right? So tutorials, getting started.
Mm-hmm.
We're not really going to do multiple levels of directories, so we can
Yeah.
just do, these are the actual blog posts, right? Because then we filter them. I'm not sure what we're doing here.
Some
We test
pattern,
this. Yeah. And then for each, we are going to read
the content, I guess.
the lessons,
All the
right? And then there we go. The slug is the actual file name, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the title is the humanize of the slug.
Oh yeah.
And then for everything, we just do replace mdx with a. Yeah, so we'll do something like this, but not this complicated.
Yeah.
Much simpler, right? So we want to do the read dir first, and this is going to be the actual blog posts, right?
Yep.
The files.
Yeah. So it's all the
Yeah, let's just do posts equals get blog.
Actually, read blog posts.
Oh yeah, read blog posts. Beautiful. And the read blog posts should return an array of blog posts, right?
Yep.
So let's just set it as here as the return value. Separate it. Return an empty array for now. Is not a valid async function return type. Ah, of course. We don't do. Oh wait a minute. We can do the. We can do this now. Instead of fs.
Oh.
So we want to do fs.read file.
In this
And
case,
await it.
Yeah, read there. But it's
Right, because it's read file in this case, and we can do that to get the actual excerpts.
But
That will be later on, right?
Yep.
All right. Oh wait a minute. If we are doing that, we should also do await here. And I'm not sure why it's complaining. We'll sorry. Promise of blog post because it's an async function. God damn. It's a bad day. All right, so let's just console.log
Blog posts.
blog posts and see what happens, right? Yarn dev.
Yeah.
So we're just going to hit refresh on the blog page. It will read the blog posts and we should see them below. We should see tests, at least. Yeah,
Yeah. Nice.
beautiful. So, beautiful.
Okay.
What do we want to do now? We got the files, right? We got the dir and the blog post for each. We can loop through them. We can read them, but we need the array now, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's do result, right? It's going to be a blog post array, empty, return it, and then we'll just blog posts for each posts. Now we got the post, right? So this will be the post path. That would be path.join dir with posts. right? So we can now read it,
Mhm.
get the excerpt, push it to the array.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
Read it.
Yeah, let's.
Okay.
I'm gonna let you take over.
Okay. So to read the file, I'm just gonna copy it from here.
Yeah, because we already have it.
Yeah. So what is the format? Still gonna be post path.
Yeah, UTF-8. Yeah. Oh, you need to.
Oh yeah, put it as async. Okay. Yeah, it's UTF. And then to get this.
You want to get the excerpt. So I don't know. I'm thinking like. I'm thinking getting. Oh, wait a minute.
Are we gonna be able to get it like this?
We should be, but the idea is that. Check this out.
Okay.
If we get the first X characters, then we're going to get this.
Mm-hmm.
And we don't want that, right?
Yeah.
So maybe we'll play it smart, and instead of doing an excerpt, let's do a description instead, and we'll manually enter it for every blog post.
Okay. Description. Actually, we don't need any. Should I leave it as this or?
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay. So to get it from the front matter, how do we file content?
No, you need to do the. You need to use the matter. Yeah.
Okay.
But you can check out the repo that I have.
That it would be this.
There we go. So matter from the file content, and you get the data, and the data will contain the keys that we define, right?
Okay. So I'm just gonna copy this and.
No, you don't need this part. We'll just do the data. Yeah. So that's the.
Yep.
From metadata. And what do we have in the blog posts? In the test, we have title, description, and date. That's it.
Okay, so we're just gonna do blog posts.
No, result.
Oh yeah, result dot push. We just do it like this.
Yeah. So.
And the way you did it is title. So.
Yeah, you just do autocomplete because it's already typed.
Oh yeah. What was the keybind?
Control and space.
Okay.
There we go. Date excerpt, but we want to change it to
description.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do that in the types.
Beautiful.
Okay. So now let's do it.
Why don't we destructure the data as well to get the title, the date, and the description?
Oh, so you just wanna
this guy right here.
Yep.
Yeah. So it's like destructuring within a destructuring, right?
Oh, so
you want to do double dots there? No, not like that. Yeah, and then do the destructuring. And then inside you'll do title, description, and date.
Okay.
I think it was those three, right?
Let's check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just do title, description, date.
Okay. So
and then for the slug, you'll use the posts.
Yeah, and we don't need destruction here.
No. No, just that's an object, right?
Oh yeah, actually.
It's not destruction, it's the object, but just continue down because you already have these three, so just write them.
Yeah, okay.
Title, description, date. And yeah, as we mentioned for the slug, we want to use the posts because that's we want to use the post but without the file
file extension.
Yeah. File extension, yeah. So let's get rid of that as well.
So we can.
They're always going to be MDX. No matter
so
what.
let's just slice it, I guess.
No, just replace it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and maybe just call it slug, right? So call slug equals
Oh. So that
posts
would be post.
Dot replace all. Sorry, replace. I'll just replace. It's one.
Okay.
So dot MDX with an empty string with the dot as well.
Oh yeah.
There we go. So that would be the slug. Just add it down, and there shouldn't be any errors.
Okay. Beautiful. So
Yeah, get rid of the comments as well.
oh yeah,
Just make them.
yeah.
New lines, empty lines. There we go.
Okay. Well, now let's go to the blog and fetch them. I mean, there's
We
nothing to
actually-
be
yeah,
fetched.
we
Yeah,
actually
we
do
actually
fetch
have
them.
it. So I think we should just check it out.
We don't actually do the
Oh,
add
the
them
map.
into the UI. So let's just get them in the props.
Okay. So it's quick and simple. Post, and then we go map through them.
Inside we'll use a list item. The key will be the
Yeah.
slug, and we should let's just do the titles only. But then we can proceed with creating the actual
UI
component.
Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna post map, which is gonna be a post, and we list item.
Yep.
We have it imported, so
Yeah.
we set the key.
Or destructure it, so you don't have to do post,
Oh yeah.
post this, post that.
That would be
Title, description, slug, date.
key. Oh, actually, slug.
Yeah, and then just do title inside.
Okay.
No need to. Yeah, we just want to see it.
Okay.
All right, let's see.
Okay.
All right, let's see.
Should I just inspect? Yeah.
We don't actually console them. We don't actually log them out.
Okay.
But maybe start digging in.
Yeah.
Oh, we actually don't have a footer semantics.
Oh,
And the list is empty. All right.
yeah. So why don't we
probably
just
don't have them.
Where should I just log them up here? Yeah.
Probably here. Wait a minute, dude.
We didn't return them, or we did.
No. We returned the empty array,
Oh,
but then
yeah.
inside of the for each, the function is asynchronous.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we either. I mean, wait a minute. Go up a bit. Right. We do the async, but for each is.
Asynchronous.
We don't actually await that one, right? What is the for each in this case? It's a void, right?
Yeah.
Instead of doing a for each, why don't we map them? Yeah, promise all and then map.
Yep.
So do the map and then just do promise all. And then await. All right, so this will map the blog posts, but the map itself returns a promise of something,
Yeah.
right? We do push them in there, but then promise.all, what's the return value of the promise.all?
Should be.
Just hover on it. On the promise.all. It's called the floating promise. On the all.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so it's a promise of void, an array, right?
Mhm.
But it's still a promise. So you can await that one. So just do await promise all. Yeah. And then blog post map. This will return the map itself is going to be, there we go.
Yeah.
So the map itself is going to return a promise of something. So hover on the map to see the return value. A promise of void.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's why promise.all was a promise of void.
Yeah.
Because the type gets inferred.
Yeah. Okay.
And we don't need to actually await the blog post.map in this case.
Yeah.
Because
but
the promise.all does that. Right?
that does that.
And that returns a single promise instead of n promises.
Yep.
And we only await that one, right?
Okay.
And that's why we can see them in the console
Yeah.
now. So where do we console them? There we go.
Yep. So I'm gonna remove it.
Yeah, just get rid of it because we already know. And
Yeah. There we go.
We got the testing MDX. Yeah. So we'll just do the UI, separately. But
so
I want to take a little break. If you want to continue, go ahead. If not, let's just take a little break. What do you think?
yeah. Let's take a break.
All right,
Sure.
guys. 5 minutes, 6, 7,
Okay.
and we'll be back.
Yeah.
It's
Just-
yeah.
All right. See you in a bit.
See you.
Hey
Nice.
guys, we're back.
Nice. All right.
So we left off at the component, the blog post component. So let's continue from there. I'm gonna create a new component for this. Blog card or blog post card? How do you want to call it?
I don't know. Blog postcards, probably.
Yeah.
I think you tried with capitals.
Yeah, I think you should try.
With lowercase. I don't know. Maybe it's
Yeah.
broken.
Okay, blog post card. Okay, close blog post card.
Export default.
Export default, yeah. Okay.
The props. We're not going to define the props because the props are going to be just the blog posts.
Yeah.
And we already have the type.
Okay. So I'm just gonna go back to the Figma and just see what I'll probably need.
Just a heading and a text, I guess. We want to do a link box and link overlay, and we want to do next link.
Okay. So link box.
Just do from Chakra UI React, and
yeah.
you can then auto complete them.
Oh yeah. Controls.
Link box, link overlay.
Oh.
There we go. Heading text.
Oh, so it's probably not even gonna. Yeah.
Heading text. What else? Next link.
Okay. I'm gonna import that first.
It's not the named export, it's the default export. So just next link, yeah. Or just link.
So you want to?
No, not as link, just link. Because
yeah.
you can name the default exports the way you want, just the way you are. There we go.
Okay.
Right. So. Oh yeah, the TypeScript tells us. Yeah, exactly, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you'll do import and then open up the named imports and then get outside of it and do from your package and then get back into the named imports.
Yeah. I'm using the link box here.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe we need a H stack or.
The link box should be rendered as article.
Okay.
And remind me later to actually do the footer as well because we don't have it.
Yeah. Okay. So link box as article,
Yeah.
and then we
want to do a VStack
Yep.
and import it.
Yep.
Maxell, howdy.
Hey.
Yippee-ki, yay.
We were just talking about that.
Yeah. So this is a vertical stack, and the first child will be the horizontal stack with the space between, and then the ordinary.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go.
It's vertical stack, so H stack as well. So let's import it from Chakra. Okay.
What's my favorite Die Hard movie? I watched them like way too long ago, so I don't really remember. I'm not a Die Hard head, but
This.
I don't even know how many parts there are. Yeah.
How do you see the size of the text? Do you have to?
Oh, right now it's just 16 because it's not really linked. So just click on the 4 little dots right there, and then do component. Just write in component dash. Yeah, there we go. So heading large and SM. As you can see, it's 16 by 20, 120. So it's small. There we go.
Let's just.
Yeah. So the props should be the actual blog post instead of defining our props, right?
Okay.
Now do the colon afterwards. Yeah, and then do blog posts.
And just
with singular blog posts and then import it.
Okay.
There we go. So now you can destructure it.
Okay.
Title, description, slug.
Yeah.
And date. There we go.
Okay. So this will be the title.
Yep. as a title. The date is the text, and the color is different in that case.
Exactly.
What's the size of it? Small, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, but instead of size, do font size, because it's different for the text.
Yep.
Font size small, and we should probably do color gray 500 or color scheme gray. Let's just do color.
Yeah, let's do it.
Gray 500.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we'll check it out later. Just do justify space between. And the J.
Oh yeah. I just wanted to ask you: how are we gonna handle the date? Are we just gonna leave it for now?
Yeah, just slap it there, because I'm going to manually add it.
So this is the H tag. Okay, and then we have the description.
Yeah. We want to do text again.
Yeah, exactly. And this is
it's like 3 lines.
Small.
Or let's just do texts.
Okay.
Text and then description, and that's it.
And I'll just set this to small as well. I think that was the size. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the color as well.
No. Color is automatically set.
Okay. So did we map this?
Yeah, probably. I don't know. We can use the date FNS to actually define it as such.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I mean, I'm going to write them manually anyways, right?
Yeah.
No clue. We'll see.
Yeah, let's just map them out for now.
Yeah, but you forgot the link box and overlay. So let's just do that. We're going to do the link overlay on the title.
Okay.
Outside of the heading.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just wrap the heading in a link overlay. Yeah. There we go. And the href on the link overlay will be /blog/slug.
Oh yeah.
But the slug is
dynamic. Yeah, so we're just gonna use
template literal. Yeah, it's going to be manually set. You forgot the function parentheses, the brackets.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the curly ones. And there we go.
Okay.
All right, so we got the blog post. Let's go back to actually push it there. Instead of title, just do
blog post
cards. There we go.
Self close it and
then just do.
Should I just pass in?
No. You know what? Let's get the destructuring. Let's remove the destructuring.
Yeah.
Call it posts.
Or single post.
Yeah, just single post without the brackets, without those brackets. Yeah. And then do post.slug over there, and then spread the post on the postcard.
Yeah, I think this is. Oh.
Just beautiful. All right, so let's check it out.
The issue here? Oh wait, there's no issue.
There is an issue there. Blog postcard cannot be used as a JSX.
Am I returning them probably? Yeah.
Void is not. Check out the render method of the blog postcard. This is the second tab you've opened. Okay.
Oh yeah, you're not returning.
No, you don't need to return it like this.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go. And get rid of those. Yeah. Okay. There we go.
Okay.
So
yeah,
just spread them out.
That's this component. Should I just?
Yeah, English is weird. I always mix them up. Brackets, braces, parents.
Yeah, exactly.
Parentheses.
Should I set this VStack as a full? Or
try it out. I mean, I'm not sure which element is doing it. Maybe it's better to actually
just check it out.
Yeah, just check it out. Maybe it's better to actually make the list stretch, right? So go up. Check out the list. Yeah, there's the list. Can you get to the list and then do the width full, or just 100%? Sorry, not full. Okay. Now let's see the list. Okay, move on to the list item.
Oh.
It's full, and then the article, and then the stack, and then the inner stack. So there we go. Yeah. So the inner stack is the.
So that would be the horizontal stack, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
But let's first.
But no. Wait a minute. Why don't you just do with full on the V stack?
Okay.
And also the list.
The list.
No, the list.
Yeah, the list itself.
All right, dig in again. What's the list? List is full. List item is full. Everything's full. And there's the stack again.
Yeah, this is the horizontal stack.
You can. I'm gonna show you a little trick. Go back to the to Brave. While you have this selected, click on the components here. And there's the stack and the horizontal stack. Check out the horizontal stack. There we go. Check out the V stack above. V stack is full, but the horizontal stack is still not full. So yeah, the horizontal stack is missing the width. Or if you want to do this, let's set the alignment instead of width full on the V stack. Do the width full and then do align items stretch.
Okay.
So let's try that.
Do the align items here.
Stretch. Let's see. There we go.
Okay.
Okay, we got some padding going on above.
What? Okay. Yeah, it needs to be aligned with the blog.
Exactly.
So
yeah, so the blog section,
okay.
That V stack is actually the one that doesn't have any. Yeah. See.
Yep. Okay, let's dig in.
There's the chakra stack above the list. That's the one. So just do width equals full on that one.
That would be
that one. Yeah.
Is it gonna work if we stretch? No. Okay. Nice.
There we go.
Am I missing something from the design?
I don't think so. I think we got everything. Let's
yeah.
go back. Testing MDX installation.
Yeah, go ahead.
Try it out. This is the small, so it's 16, right? 16, beautiful. Are they aligned? All right, so this is the link and the P tag. Yeah, they're the same size. All right, so if we hit clickety click, it'll take us to test, but that page doesn't exist.
Yep.
So there's that. But yeah, all in all, I think we have it.
Yeah.
Here. Now let's do the search.
Yeah.
Right. You want to do it or should I do it?
I was gonna say to fix the footer.
Oh, footer. Yeah. Layout, footer. We got the V stack as footer. So let's check it out. Elements. Navigation.
Nice. Yeah.
This and a footer. Yeah.
Yeah, you can continue on the.
What was the semantic name for the main? Was it like main?
Oh yeah, main. Main on
semantic
content.
names. Semantic tags.
Yeah, semantic tags. I'm actually not sure. I got it from a shop in Austria. It's called New Yorker. I'm not sure if it's local. But yeah, I mean if it's local in Ireland. But yeah, I don't think it's a band shirt. I think it's just a random shirt.
Right. So there's a section. There's an article. There's an aside. Maybe we should do a section in instead, right?
Yeah.
So we can go to the app.
Thanks a lot, man.
So right there's the header, there's the footer, and this box should be section, right?
Yeah.
And if we go, there's the nav, section, footer.
Dude, this
inside of the section, we got a list with all the list items, and there's an article inside. Beautiful.
Yep.
Beautiful. All right, let's check it out. I'm gonna move, just close all of the tabs.
Yep.
And go back to the blog page. But since we are going to have a dynamics, goddamn.
Dynamic routing.
Routing, exactly. We will do this. We'll create a folder named blog. We'll move the blog inside and rename it as index.
Yeah.
That way the URL stays the same, but we can do now slug.tsx. Right?
Yeah. So
Blog posts, and we can just pull it at.
for those who are not familiar, yeah. So this is Next.js basically, and you can have dynamic routing, yeah, based on the slug. It's how Lazar will do it. So now if he goes, yeah.
There we go. So blog still works, right? Because we are in the blog directory, and index by default is just, But we do have the dynamic slug here, and that's about it, right? Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Before we continue working on this, let's just try the filtering thing, right? So instead, we'll get the posts, all of them here. What we'll do, we will use state. The state is going to be a blog post array. Posts by default, right? And we will do display posts, because these are going to be the displayed posts, right? And these are the original data. And do set display posts, right? And instead of mapping the post, we'll map the display posts, right?
Yep.
And now,
on change,
or like
right.
on search, let's do on search, right?
It doesn't matter.
We'll get the event later.
Mm-hmm.
So do on change equals on search.
Yep.
But this on change returns a change event handler of HTML input element, right? So event this guy.
Yep.
Imported from React.
Yep.
It didn't. Already.
It did. Just put it up top.
All right. It's complaining. Change event handler.
Is
this guy joking with me? Change event of HTML input element is not assignable to type change event handler. Oh,
yeah, it's
it's not the handler, right? Just change event. Okay, cool. There we go. Yeah. So we got the event here, right? Well, what we should do is do like filtered posts, right? Let's just do query equals event dot
target
current target dot value. Beautiful. You'd set the handle type on the const. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here's the query, right? Filtered posts will be posts dot filter posts. So post dot title. Come on now. Any? No, they're not any. Oh, dude.
Oh my God. Yeah.
We forgot that one. Okay. Right. Posts dot title contains or includes. Yeah.
Includes.
That's like weird. Includes query. There we go. And we'll just do set display posts to filtered posts. Beautiful.
Nice.
Ooh,
nice.
Yeah.
And it's super fast.
Yeah, because we're working with static data.
Yep.
Awesome. Nice. There we go. The search is completed. But now, check this out. We have a list here, right? And we map the display posts. Why don't we actually do this here? If display posts dot length is 0, right? If the display posts are, let me just check. Array is empty. No. All right.
No.
All right. Nevertheless. Then we'll show a little paragraph here, or let's instead use
text.
No articles for that query.
Yeah.
Nice. Beautiful. Okay, so we're done with the blog page. Let's go back. Make sure that this is beautiful. Okay, okay. And then we are here in the blog posts. So this will be the single post, right?
Yep.
So here's what we're going to do. We're going to import get static props
Oh wait,
and get static paths, right?
I think we're not using the next link in the blog
We're not?
postcard. Blog postcard, yeah.
Oh right, yeah. Yeah, so we'll do this.
Yeah, and pass.
Just
href.
link, I think.
Yeah, it's link.
We'll do href, or just do this. Pass href so that it can
Nice.
get passed to the actual link overlay.
Yeah.
So let's check it out again. Blog. Come on, next. There we go.
Nice.
Nice. Nice. Nice. All right. We're clear, so we can start. We can continue with this. All right. So in Next.js, when we have dynamic paths inside of our URL, we need to tell Next, and we do static generation.
Yep.
Yeah.
Uh,
On search handler event. What do you mean? Let's try this. On search. Ah, you mean okay? Set the actual type.
oh yeah.
So that would be the search. Okay, cool. Let's
Yep.
check that out. On search, that would be the handler, right? Like this, and now the event is the change event.
Yep.
Beautiful.
That's actually even better.
Yeah. Nice, dude. Thank you so much. Man, you have the coolest tricks. I like
Yeah.
I like the way we work
Yep.
together. All right, so thank you so much, man. Let's continue. When we have dynamic paths, we wanna tell we still wanna use the get static props because we want to pass the data, but we also wanna tell Next.js that here are all the paths that are going to be generated, right?
Yep.
So when Next.js sees a page and it's a static page, Next.js wants to know on build time how many pages and what should I call them,
Yep.
right? And that's why we want to do the get static paths in this case, right? So export const get static paths. That would be get static paths. And then
I think we can reuse that.
oh yeah, of course. Posts equals we want to do the static.
Yeah.
Oh, static async. Await read blog posts. There we go. And now we want to return an object with the paths.
Which is the
What was the paths again? It's an array of params and locale, right? So paths, an array, parameters. Let's see.
Yeah, let's just check out the documentation.
All right, docs. Get static paths. Get static paths, params, and that's it. See the paths below? Fallback. We don't actually want to do.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Params and ID. Okay, cool. So params is going to have a key, and that key is going to be the slug,
Yep.
right? So slug. But before we actually do this,
Do we need to
we need
map?
to do the post.map.
Yep.
Get the posts, right, and return the object. Hey, what is that? Return the object, params,
Which will have
and then
the
the slug, and we'll just get the slug from the posts.
Yep.
And I think that's it. Or is it? Fallback is missing. Okay, so we do need to provide fallback. We'll set it to false. There's no regeneration or anything like that, you know,
Yep.
just everything static. And that's get static paths, right? So let's do export const get static props. And the blog posts is going to have
The MDX content.
yeah. So type, we'll do type props. It'll have the blog posts type, and we'll merge it with the actual content, which is, I think, is going to be string, but we'll see. Right? So props, we'll get the title, we'll get the date. We don't need the description, we don't need the slug, we'll get the content.
Yeah.
Have you tried that incremental generation support, where the fallback will generate pages on the fly? Yeah, our company's website is all static incremented. So all of this is just static incremented, static sites, right? Especially these, for example, with the job positions that we have from the, we have Strapi as the backend, right? So when we create a new job position, here's a fresh one, for example. Next.js just creates this on the fly.
Yep.
Yeah, and it's like super fast, man. Careers, there we go. We'll do full stack. There we go, already there. No loading, no anything like that. It's just beautiful. All right. So let's continue, right? Let's go to the pages, tutorials, and then tutorial. This is where we exactly. Yeah. So here's what we have. Right, we have the source front matter and the actual data that we have here, right? So what do? First, we hydrate the content from the source, right? So we want to do this as well, right?
The source.
Yeah, MDX remote. This is the package that we want to install. We already have the gray matter, right? And I guess that's it. So we'll do yarn at giggity. Blog posts. Oh, okay. So the blog post page, let's just call it blog post page. I hate making exceptions, but
yep,
it is what it is. Okay, so
why is it complaining?
you declare, but it's never used. There we go.
It's because you.
Dude, yeah. Get static props, async, and we also want to do the context here because we want to pull the actual slug, right?
Yep.
And let's do slug equals ctx dot parameters slug, or just do slug like this.
Yep.
Okay, or do this instead. You can do anything, right?
Yeah, it's actually clean
Nice.
that way.
So this is installed.
Okay.
Start the server again. We wanna, let's just pull out, let's just pull these things. These are local imports. Okay.
Nice.
Right, so the content, not really the content front matter any. We don't actually need the front matter anyways, because we do that reading here with the read blog posts,
Yep.
right? Or should we? I mean, we are, this thing happens before this thing happens. Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
He was a different man back then.
I was a different man back then. Yeah, a lot of things changed, but but yeah, basically, we read all of the blog posts here, right? Maybe we can do something cool here. Maybe we can redefine this, but no. This returns an array of blog posts. And maybe we shouldn't call it read, because it only creates a blog post type. It doesn't actually read the content, right?
Yeah.
So let's rename this get blog posts, because it actually gets the blog posts. And we also want to do get blog posts, and we can create a new one called read blog posts, where we
actually
just pass the slug, and then it'll get the contents. So read blog post.ts. You'll get the slug, just the slug. Right, so let's get here. Do this. Get the path. And actually the promises.
Yeah, we'll need them
as well. Path join. Blog posts. And then do the slug. Sorry. The slug.
Plus MDX.
MDX.
Yeah.
So this is the post path. Right, and we want to read this.
Yeah.
What was it? Read directory. Nope. Read file. And that's the file content. Async body.
Yep.
And then just do return await read file, and it just reads it, right? We don't do any. Right, so this will be a promise of string. Beautiful. Promise of string. We don't actually need. Let's see. We don't actually need to define this. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So we can go back here. We get the slug, right? And we'll see post content, await, read, blog, post, slug.
It's because you're not.
It's a string or an array of strings. God damn, man. It's a single query. Okay. All right. So this is the content now, right? And what do we do? Get static props, right? String, yeah. Okay. Here's the file content. And then we'll do this basically, right?
Matter.
We'll use the matter, data and content. Okay, we still need the matter.
Matter, yeah.
We also
we
have it.
Yeah. Post content.
Post content. And then we can do this now, right? Then we can do return props. Here's the source, the components. Yeah. We'll get into it later.
Yeah.
What else do we want? We want the whole blog posts, right? We don't actually want the whole blog posts. The data is the front matter. Well, let's just pull it from there, right?
Yeah.
So title, or just do this instead, because we need the data here for the scope, right? So we'll just structure, title, description, and date.
Yep.
Title, description, date, slug.
Nice.
Is this okay now? Which one is the string array? Oh, there's a content, but no. We'll get rid of the content.
Yeah.
We wanna do. Sorry, we copied it, but we didn't paste it. We wanna do the source actually.
Yeah. And rename it.
Just get rid of this for now. So source and then the actual blog post, right? Title, description, date, slug. Title, description, date, slug, and then the source.
Why is it complaining?
No idea.
Type string is not.
A string array is not assignable to string. Which one is the actual string array? Render to string. Come on.
But wait. Does the destructuring from the data?
Do the slug. God damn. All right, so let's get it back. It's the same mistake. So slug as string, and we don't need this.
Oh.
Exactly. Yeah, the slug was the issue. And there we go.
Nice.
All right, so this let's just go through it. We get the slug from the parameters, right? From the URL itself. we read the contents of that actual MDX file, and we use the matter, the front matter or the gray matter package to actually obtain the content of the post and the data of the post, the header stuff. We destructure the data to get the title, description, and date. We slap them here. Slug is the one from the parameters, and then we use the render to string of the content, right? We pass the scope, and then we await it. So that will return a string.
Yeah.
So
now we can actually...
Yeah, we need to hydrate it. What is this now? Is not a module. Okay, we'll see. Next MDX remote, maybe you should be able to set the type of the parameters. Like you can with React, field equals use params, field string. What do you mean the type of the?
I think of the...
You mean for the render to string or which one? In the meantime, let's check out the package content. Because I think there were...
Oh, okay, yeah, got it. And he's saying you should be able to, yeah.
Exactly.
214.
Alright, so how does this thing know? I mean, why does this thing complain about the next MDX remotes? Okay, so we got gray matter, we got MDX remote here, and that's about it. I didn't have any issues. Maybe it's like, I don't know. Maybe we wanna...
If it is an actual issue, maybe we should just set the version to 214.
No. We'll check it out. Nope. God damn.
What's the
error is that it can't find the actual typings. But let's check it out. Okay. I'm not sure. TypeScript. This project does include native types. Okay.
I'm merging from V2 to V3.
Below is an example, simple implementation. MDX remote serialized result. Oh, okay. That's cool, but I still get the serialized.
Yeah, but you don't have the right import, I think.
Yeah.
Serialize,
and this is the actual MDX content. And then the MDX source is defined here. MDX remote serialize result. Okay, maybe we should get, do that instead.
Yeah.
Hit that. MDX. We don't actually need this now. And there's also serialize that we can actually do imports. Yeah, maybe these are like old stuff. There we go. Hydrate. MDX remote components. And what did I do? I got the content, so hydrate the source with the components, and then do just the content. Yeah, but it still does the same thing. MDX remote will do that for you. Okay, cool. I want to do the MDX remote, so we're not going to hydrate it. We'll add the MDX remote here. Right. Now we're not going to render the string. We are going to serialize the content. So we don't need to do anything else. This is the source. Serialize the content, and that's it. Now the components are here. Beautiful. Okay. And we don't actually need the data anymore, right?
Yeah.
So we can just destructure it inline. Pass it along, title, date, source, right?
And let's render it.
Yeah, let's just check it out. MDX remote. We wanna spread the source, and the components is going to be an empty. Records. Oh, okay. Yeah. Not an array, but actually a record. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, dude, yeah. So MDX remote. Beautiful, beautiful, and beautiful. Yeah. So cool. Yeah. It's way better.
Yeah.
And we don't actually have the errors anymore, and that's it. Let's check
it
out
out.
the page. Instead of hey, it should say something. The moment of truth. We want to do the
Nice.
dudes. Beautiful. Check it out. Yeah. Custom components. Yeah, every post should start with yeah, okay, so beautiful. Let's do a VStack because I feel like it.
Yeah.
Because I feel like it. Import Chakra VStack.
It sounds really real when you say it.
Yeah. That's my life. Alright, so spacing. Let's check it out. Next page. Here's what we have. Ooh, nice. We got the views, but yeah.
We'll need
we'll do the
we'll
the next we'll do the views on the next stream. Alright, large, right? This is the header here, and the spacing between the content is 32. Goddamn, 32 divided by 4 is 8. Spacing is 8. Beautiful. Another VStack here. Spacing would be 12. So 3, right? We'll do a heading here. Size will be large.
This will be the title.
Beautiful. And then
the date.
We want to do this thing right here, which is a horizontal stack. Inside, let's just import it. And also do the text. Inside, check this out.
Divider? Ooh.
Yeah, dude. Divider is going to be a text. And we'll just copy this little thingy.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Did we do something like that or didn't we?
No. I mean, we didn't.
Oh, yeah. The mid dot. Beautiful.
Mid dot, yeah.
Beautiful. Mid dot. Dude,
nice.
Thanks a lot. Alright, so margin X. 6. That's not really.
Not really a good number.
Yeah. Maybe 8.
Yeah,
would make more sense. 8. 2. That is not divisible. Alright, so this is the divider, right? Inside, we'll add a text. We'll slap the date. Right? Color. Gray 500.
Yep. And
small. And small. Font size, small. And then we'll also want to do a text again.
Which is the views.
A hard-coded views thingy. Same props. Ooh, what is this?
It's small. Maybe we should. The font.
Gray 500. Let's see if that changes it. Okay, cool. Yeah, this one is a bit fatter.
Yeah.
Beefier. Okay. Here's the VStack that we have. Align items.
Flex start.
Flex start with full.
Oh.
And then this guy right here with full, and then also align items. Stretch. So we can get rid of this with full. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. So testing MDX installation. That is the title, right? And we also want to add the source now. So below this VStack, we are going to do MDX remote and spread out the source.
There we go. Now we know how to extend the Chakra theme.
All right. So, for example, add custom theme, right? That is H2. And we don't actually see it as H2, so let's fix that. What we can do now is copy paste a ton of code But we'll do MDX components here. Index.tsx, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I don't want to write
Already written
stuff.
code.
Yeah, already written code. So components, MDX components. I mean, check it out. Check out the sloppiness. Capital P.
Oh.
Snake case. God damn it, Lazar. Laser. God damn it, laser. All right, so check it out. We are going to use the Prism React renderer to render the code. There's a quiz. We don't actually want that. But let's also add this thing right here. Yes. Yarn add. So that would be the code little snippet that we have.
Yeah, where you can put syntax and
Yeah.
straight to jail.
Straight to jail laser. Let's import these guys.
Yeah, in this file we're gonna override
everything.
The MDX components.
Yeah, I'm going to copy everything, slap it,
Yeah, and then
we'll run through it
yeah.
and see what we did. We don't actually want the quiz.
Yeah.
Errors. Highlight and theme. Okay.
It'll match your VS Code theme actually.
It will, yeah.
Okay.
Let's see. On your blog post page, you could use this for the view counter. Oh, you mean the pedometer? What was it? It was called? Yeah. Nice, dude. I will definitely do that.
Yeah, this animation.
This was called a pedometer, right? Pedometer. Usually portable and electronic. Yeah. So the one that you use to measure.
Imagine having this in your room and it just goes up each day.
But pedometer CSS animation. Was it a pedometer or was it odometer? Like odo. Let's check it out. Nah. I'm not sure.
Huh.
It was something like that.
Yeah.
The animation itself, yeah.
But this is cool.
This is way too cool, man. Start. Reset. Update.
Nice.
Yeah, dude, yeah. This is going to be it. Let's just add it.
Yeah, let's go ahead. And we'll just use the 400
React
value.
count up. Yarn add BD. And we'll just import the count up. Where are we now? Let's go back to the slug. Import it. Yeah, like
Yeah.
ease out basically. Nice. Yarn dev. And inside of the VStack, here's the
Views.
thingy. So we do wanna. All right, nice. So we can use render props, right, to actually get the span count up on click start. Not really. Nice.
And you can put a prefix as well. So it's always views.
Oh, nice. Okay, cool. Beautiful. Instead of doing this, we'll do count up, right?
Yeah, I don't think you need like separate.
Start would be 0. We do want to, to get the text.
Yeah.
Starts, and then suffix would be views. And then the end. Let's do this for now. And duration, separations, decimal. Let's go back and check out the easing. Auto start. Oh, so delay 0 actually. Use easing. Dude.
Nice.
Delay is 0. Let's check it out. Meh. Duration. This is in, I guess, seconds.
Okay.
3 seconds.
Nice.
Dude, beautiful. Nice.
And it's like slowing down as it reaches the
Yeah.
goal.
Holy moly.
Holy-
Dude, I love this. I love it. But the text is not the same. Or is it?
It is actually.
It's actually, yeah.
Inter
Inter 14. Dude.
Nice.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank
Yeah,
you so much, dude.
that's awesome.
I got the coolest website. All right, now we got these here, right? The MDX components.
Mhm. So now we need to add it
Yeah,
to the.
we need to import them here. So source components, MDX components. We're going to import them from components. There we go.
That should be
Let's
it.
check it out now,
Moment of truth.
and we'll go through it and see what's up.
Nice.
Yo, guys.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful. There's a copy. I'm not going to use that. So let's go
I think
here.
the heading 2 isn't.
It is, yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
It is overwritten, but
For some reason it's not working.
H2.
Oh.
And this is already an H1.
Mhm.
Okay. This is HR. We already have that. We'll see. Code highlight. There's a copy button. We don't want that.
Yeah, the use clipboard.
We don't want that. Now where is it being used?
Yeah,
Use
it's that
clipboard.
one.
There we go.
Aaron asks, what does the apply prop do?
No clue, but we'll figure out together. P. Okay. Oh, so BG, dude. What am I? Embarrassing.
The
Rounded 8 pixels. Yeah. You'll see everything. Copy button. No
Yeah.
copy button, please. And where is the copy button? Yeah.
bye bye.
Bye bye copy button. Now I have some ideas regarding the theme. So this one is the night owl, right?
Mhm.
But I want to use the night owl. Dude, what happened?
Oh, there was
God
some
damn.
like
Alright,
bad.
we'll work on this. We'll work on this, right? So check it out. We will do dark theme,
Oh my god,
and then we'll do light theme
this is gonna be
and
sick.
night owl
Light.
So we will toggle between these two.
Dude.
So theme equals use color mode value
Oh my god.
light theme dark theme dark theme dark theme. There we go. All right, check it out, man.
Yeah, it's so sick.
Check it out, dude. Beautiful. I mean, that is just. I also copied the colors from the night owl theme, and if we go here
Mhm.
and check these guys out. Hey. Remove this. There we go. And check these guys. They're exactly the same.
This is amazing.
We want to enable line
Yeah.
numbers. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I just,
it is.
it was a painstaking, moment because I copied all of these
Oh
keywords
my god.
and painted them with that
Yeah.
exact color. So there's the there's the purple one, there's the blue one, and I was doing this basically.
Yeah.
Copy this one, change the color. Copy this one, change the color to everything.
And the slurp noise as well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pain thing. Exactly. But yeah, looks beautiful. All right, so we do have something to work. Slurpee.
Yeah.
Yeah, 6 pixels of rounding. Let's see if I am correct or I'm just making a fool out of myself. 6 pixels. Well, how many is that in RAM? 375. Why do I keep... Oh, it's actually MD. All right, cool. Rounded MD. MD. That's the box, right? Let's also figure out the padding.
Yep.
So here's the code block. The code block has a padding of 16 pixels. Okay. I'm not sure what this thing is, so I'll remove it and we'll do 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not working.
Time to pop the hood.
Yeah.
And see what's up. Oh, okay.
Oh, what?
Okay, there's something.
Yeah. Maybe we need to set it to the...
Dude, all right. I got it. P4 is... We're setting P4 on the box, man. We don't actually want that. You know, we don't even need the box.
Yep.
We need the highlight.
Yeah.
Now, the highlight comes from...
Prism render.
Exactly. So we want to use the Chakra factory function to do Chakra highlight equals Chakra highlight, and then we do shoot forward prop. We'll do prop. Right?
Yep.
We'll just do all of these props later. Where are we now? Sorry.
Yeah, it's here.
Yeah, there we go. Highlight. So default props.
Uh-huh.
Default props. Okay, so default props. What are the default props? Prism and theme, right? We want to do these as strings because the prop is the prop name and it's always a string.
Yeah.
So default props are only these two, Prism and theme. Then we do code, language,
and theme.
but we already have the
Yeah.
theme. So code,
language.
and that's it.
Yep.
Now let's replace the heading, the highlight with our Chakra highlight, and then we can do
The padding.
rounded MD and P4. Children is not a function. Dude, of course.
Oh, yeah.
Nice touch might be to pull the code block out a bit so then the other body copy will line up with the code like a hanging indent. You can see what I mean on this block. Let's see. Oh, dance block. Oh, dude. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, nice. Yeah. So basically,
It's just...
yeah, basically Dan does this. See?
Yeah.
The alignment of the code
Is
is with the
text.
alignment of... Yeah, that would be cool. That would be cool. Yeah, we can try that
Dude,
later
this
on.
is sick.
And check it out. He also has the
Like,
highlights here.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Children is not a function. What the hell, guys? All right, so let's see. There is some...
Nice.
Okay, there we go.
Still no padding.
No padding, no anything like that. But...
Actually,
No, that was like the line padding. But here is our Prism code. If we go to components, didn't we?
I think it's called Chakra highlight. Yeah.
Well, that's what we're doing, but we can actually see it here.
Code.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like lifesaver. Create element. Code highlight. Children highlight. P4. Okay, so this is like the chakra highlight component that we have here. It has the rounded MDP4 theme as well.
Yeah.
And then there's like styles. Okay, cool, got it. Number of lines.
That's
No,
like
that's
the
that's
counter.
the chakra stuff.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, because we have a chakra highlight. Yeah, let's check this out. Get line props. Oh, okay. Key, style, class, auto props.
Hey, yo, abnormal.
Abnormal.
We're just working on the MDX stuff right now.
Let's see. Prism React renderer line numbers. Maybe we should do it. Maybe we should add them manually. Maybe there is no prop for it. We can use the index. Right? Line number. Yes. Dude. Alright, nevertheless. Line props. And here are the line props. And for each line, we return a chakra span. Right?
Yeah, but
we do the
need...
get token props here. Part of those are the... Oh, okay. There's like a line number here. Yeah, let's do an H. Should we like do an H? We shouldn't do an H tag. We want to do a chakra or just an ordinary span for that matter.
Yeah.
And inside, we want to do the line number, right? So we got the token. We got the key. The key is actually...
I+1.
Yeah. So again...
Chakra span.
Get token props. Maybe we should do these things again, but without the children. And then we'll do key +1. Let's see if that makes sense. It's always 1, 2, 2, 3, 1.
It's going inside.
It's not really the get token props, right? Because I'm not sure what would happen.
Wait.
What do we get from the get token props? Let's get them out.
Isn't it get line props? Or maybe it's not.
Line.map. Oh, dude,
you
okay.
have the line props up here.
Actually, yeah. We want to do the line props.
So just do I+1.
Yeah. Instead of token props. Yeah, the token is the actual.
Oh.
Let's reload. Dude.
Yeah.
Key is I. I mean, we already have this.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. It works now.
There we go. But now maybe it doesn't actually. Oh, it actually does.
It does. But it's like a gray.
Mm-hmm. This is probably like white alpha or
yeah,
black
I think
alpha
it
50.
is.
Yeah. Let's also do that. So, line number color, use color mode value. So that would be white. No, sorry, black alpha 500, white alpha 500. It's always gray. Now this, I think in this case we want to do that. Beautiful.
Yep. Nice.
Beautiful. Okay, and let's also allow it to breathe.
Yeah.
12 pixels
Fix
of
the
spacing. So
padding of it.
MR equals 3.
3. Nice.
Okay. And we should also align it on the right. Right?
Yep.
See?
Yeah.
So we want to do right alignment. But let's see. First, we want to ensure that the width, the width is always the same, right? So the width of these two is like almost 20, right? And we should do width equals 3ch. Yeah, like Padam, but wasn't the CSS like characters? CH unit? Oh, tabular numerals, exactly. Yeah, we want the /0 probably.
Yeah. Yeah, it is a character. Or
this is like the letter forms. Character width. Characters wide. I don't know, man. Let's. Yeah, let's actually do that. That would be like the texts. Use tabular numerals. Yeah, like what was the CSS property? It looks, yeah, and also it's the /0, so we should be able to, we should be good to go. We just wanna, I don't know, we just wanna do, I don't know, like 32 divided by 4 is 8. Let's do 8 and do flex. No. Texts align.
right.
Right. Always right. Come on, man. Font variant. Numeric. Yeah. Exactly. /0. Tabular numbers. Old style numbers. But I can't actually see that the width changes. Nevertheless, I mean, we set the size to 8, but it's still 9 pixels.
Wait. Shouldn't it be? Oh, no.
So with 30 pixels, it's not giving it. Maybe because it has something to do with this. Because we are in a pre-formatted now. Font feature settings, kern. Huh. Chakra span. What if we do texts instead of a chakra span? So it uses the ordinary texts.
White space, maybe, yeah.
Maybe, yeah. Let's check out the text thingy. And we'll.
Oh.
No, it's okay. We can just do display inline flex or just inline for that matter. So
not written correctly. Display.
Display.
Did it do it?
It didn't actually made any changes. So let's go back and check out the white space. So chakra span. There we go. Because it's a pre, right?
Nah.
This is crazy. Yeah, probably. I don't know. We are in a pre-formatted block here. Maybe we can do that rounding. But instead we can just add empty spaces. Because every character has the same width because we are using these monospaced font. What was that JavaScript function? Fill string with number of characters. Pad. We want to pad.
Oh yeah. I think you
We
showed
want to
me
do
this.
pad start, yeah. So for example, cats. If we pad the cat with 8 characters,
There's gonna
there will be 5 characters of empty spaces, and then the cat.
Yep.
Yeah, that one. I saw it. But let's try this. So we want to do.
Pad.
We want to do string. This. Pad start.
Like
Always 3.
3. Yeah.
Right?
I think this will be a. There we go.
Or I don't know, or like 2.
Yeah, I think.
Maybe we can check how many lines. Tokens is, I guess, the number of lines, right?
Mm-hmm.
So tokens map lines. Beautiful. Yeah. So
Yeah.
pad starts equals tokens dot length. Dude. If we have. Dude.
Yeah.
Not really. Not really. This is the line. Get line props. Line props. Tokens. Get line props. And then there's the key. The line is a token itself.
Let's check it out.
With line numbers. Yeah. With line numbers. Okay. Line number. From styles. And that would be it, like that's it. And
Table
then we have the
cell,
line
yeah.
content. Oh, okay. Line number and line content. Okay, we can definitely do that. So this is the line, this is the line number, this is the line content.
Mm-hmm.
And it's everything's in tokens.map. So everything's here, yeah. Line map. Okay, so outside of it. Let's check it out. Let's go to the styles and check out the line. So the line is a div with the display table row, right? Div, and we can just do afterwards display
table row.
Table row.
Nice.
The line number is a table cell, and text align is right, and we already have that. So this is the line number. Text align is right. We just want to do display table cell. User select none. Yeah, let's add that. Why not?
Yeah.
User select none. There's a padding right, but we already take care of that. And opacity. Already taken care of.
That should be it.
And now we want to wrap the line content again with a table cell. Let's avoid doing that for the moment, and we'll see. We just want to do. We don't want to pad it anymore, right? So we'll just do I+1. We do need the padding.
Yeah.
Okay. So, margin right. We'll just do padding right. Oh, dude.
No.
Padding X1. Style is style. Okay. Let's do PL of 3 just to have it cancel out if we can. No, we can't. So this is the table row. PL is 3. It's like way
On the inside, yeah.
on the inside, yeah. PR is 3. Well, of course. Maybe PL of 3 will still make sense. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now this little thing. Maybe we should do the pre, because that's actually the thing, right? Let's move these props to the chakra pre format. Okay.
Yep.
We can see it better here. Right?
Yeah, there's padding and it's
And then the left padding is like way too much now.
Yep.
So maybe we can just remove it. No. Something else is wrong. We'll remove the left one. And there we go.
There we go. Nice, dude.
Dude, we are done with... We're done with it.
Yeah,
right?
We're actually,
This thing is like weird. It does look mad. And check out the table, dude.
It actually suits your website with this magenta color.
Yeah. It is like, click. There we go, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just as I imagined it. Beautiful.
Now you only need to write blog posts.
I do need to write blog posts now. Let's get the bullet back. Back and back and back. There we go.
Nice.
Ooh, okay, okay. Nice. I love this.
Yeah.
Let's use the same. Let's use the same block.
Nice.
All right, there we go.
Yeah.
Let's just compare it.
I think the background of the code component is just wrong, but that could be fixed easily.
It is, yeah. The background is actually gray 500, so let's...
Like Aaron said, it's always
gray.
Yeah.
But all in all, I think we nailed it,
Yeah,
man.
gray 50, not 500. Or, yeah.
I think we nailed it.
Yep.
Beautiful. Let's also change the... Where are we? Chakra pre. Looking for chakra. Goddamn flies. All right, so... Again. Pre-background. That would be gray 5...
It's 50, yeah.
Gray 50, but then gray 800 maybe for dark.
Yeah.
So we'll just do background equals pre-background. Reload.
It didn't change.
Not really, yeah. That's because of the theme, probably.
Oh, yeah.
'Cause that's the Night Owl theme, right? So check it out. Background, okay, background color. Background color. Let's see if we can change its mind. No, it gets overridden now. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we can...
It is, yeah, it's the...
Yeah,
it's the
let's just
actual
leave it as is.
FB. I mean, that is the actual theme, right?
Yeah, so, yeah. We should just leave it. Yeah, and important.
I don't know, man. Maybe we could, like... I don't know. What if we use... I don't know. Let's try with DS6. Maybe that'll... Yeah. Yeah, but it's like that neutral gray. It's not really the cold gray. Yeah, nevertheless. Yeah, it's still... It's the style that actually gets in there.
I mean, Yeah.
What if we do style?
Yeah,
instead?
why don't we just... Did it change?
It did, yeah. It applied the hour. They are the cold gray. Yeah, it's not it's not
Yeah.
the neutral gray or warm gray. It's the colder gray.
Gray 50, it's not
All right, so yeah,
applying.
gray 50 because.
Yeah. Well,
Oh, we do have the style. God damn, man. I mean, check it out.
oh.
We do have the style. We'll just spread it and we'll do background color. And then we'll do the pre-background,
Pre-background.
but then gray 500.
Dude, I have an idea.
Yeah,
If this doesn't work, it doesn't.
we'll just use the SX prop instead.
Yeah.
Because the SX prop can. Let's see. Let's just see.
If it doesn't work like
Yeah,
that,
see? Background color gray 500.
Yeah.
What if we just do SX instead?
oh my god, did it change?
It actually
did
changed, yeah?
Yeah. Nice.
It actually
Nice.
changed.
Yeah.
So this is the merge between their props and my overriding.
Yeah. And
It has no style right now, see?
yeah.
But,
But-
we got the chakra, and there's also the color thing right
Mhm.
here.
And the dark,
Dude, alright, so
Okay.
800 is actually the
the
background color. So we'll do 900. We'll do
Yeah.
a shade deeper. Beautiful.
Dude. This is amazing.
Don't you just love it when it works?
Yeah.
So when we copy the code, check it out.
Yeah, it doesn't copy the lines.
Doesn't copy the lines. Bing. Nice. God damn, dude. This is like the dream right here.
Yep.
Let's check out the add custom theme. Something's
Something's
wrong
fishy,
there. Yeah. Come on, take us to there. H2 and then span.
Oh,
What?
what? Let's check it
That's
out.
not true. Wait a minute. Before we actually do that, we have an inline code here. My inline code looks exactly the same, so no need to worry about. This is the... This should be the purple color. Where's the inline code? This is the code highlight and there's the inline code.
Purple, yeah.
Already purple. Beautiful. Okay, so let's check out this thing right here. So linked heading. It's an H2 always, dude. H2. Then there's the content, and then there's the ID. Okay.
Wait. Oh, yeah.
Okay, you know what that means?
What?
Check it out. This thing chakra provider props. Okay, H3. And then there's a span inside. Huh. Okay, we do have... The idea is that it should show a little hashtag
Okay. Yeah, I get you. I get
when
you.
you hover it or when you focus it.
Yeah, I
right?
get
So
you.
group hover opacity 1. Right, but where is the actual group? There is no group. So role equals group. Now this thing right here, the content.
That's the issue.
Let's get rid of it. I'm not sure it is. We can actually set that because it comes from outside. But let's just, avoid using that. There we go,
Yeah.
right? And the ID, that should be like somewhere here, because this is where it gets, rendered. Let's log out the props. we're going to return this whole block.
Yeah, anyway, Aaron, the apply keyword, it seems it's like which MDX component we want to override. I know you asked previously.
All right, so let's see the props.
Yeah.
S H3 apply MDX H3 children, and then that's it, right? Chakra provider props. How do we set MDX set ID? Like the ID.
Yeah.
Maybe we can use like set heading ID for deep linking. Can we like do, I don't know. What would happen then?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure how it would generate an ID. Yeah, it's just
ID.
like in Markdown, how do we generate ID attributes on headers or HTML bookmarks? Yeah. Hey, Christopher Biscardi. We generally follow remark in this regard, which I don't think it does by default, or at least it didn't. This can be implemented by using a heading component in MDX provider, though with appropriate slugging algorithm. If remark does this by default, then we should too. Remark doesn't do that by default. Looks like there's a ready-made plugin for remark that remark has to add these IDs. Remark slug. But we don't actually use a remark here.
Aaron sent some documentation.
Heading IDs.
Let's check it out.
Link and a heading ID. Oh, dude.
Nice.
So it's like a link. Oh, sorry. Wrong.
Yeah.
A link and then the Chakra provider props. And now we should probably see the... Yeah, it's not... I'd have to make, type it twice. And then there's the undefined. But yeah, I mean... Yeah, it should work. And instead of doing Chakra AI, we're going to do Chakra span and get rid of the...
Yeah.
This thing, because we just want this user select none, so it's the whole H2. Oh no, it's actually the children that actually has that.
Does that work? Wait,
let's see.
Did we we set a hashtag.
So instead of a link,
and we need curly brackets as well.
Chakra provider props. So like this?
Yep.
No.
Nah.
We'll just see them here. Yeah, let's do links. It's not scalable. I would rather just do Chakra provider props and then it should generate that slugify for me. But you know what? Why don't actually we do that? So I'm going to return this, right? Was there like the slugify package?
Yeah. Slugify.
Slugify it like this?
Yeah.
With no double G's?
No?
No double G's. Alright, so let's yarn add slugify. Right, we got the props.children, which is just a text. So slug would be slugify.
Yeah.
Props.children.
Nice.
And that would be the slug, right?
There's an error.
Yeah, we need to import it.
Yeah.
Import slugify from slugify. Props
Okay,
that
now
children
it's
is not a to string. Okay, S string. It's always going to be a string.
Yeah.
I know, dude. I know. Alright, so there's the group, there's the children, right? The whole thing should be a link. Right? The whole thing should be a link. There we go. So the href should just be the slug, I guess. No.
Yeah.
The hashtag slug.
Yeah.
Link is not imported. There's the link.
Let's try it out. I think this is a much cleaner solution.
Yeah. And then we have the
Hash.
then we have the hashtag here. Let's see. Oh. Wait a minute.
Oh.
Wait a minute. We need to just refresh the page.
Oh, okay.
Because the MDX, you know.
Yeah. Well, let's try it out now. Test.
Alright, so Slugify. It did Slugify, but it should also like lowercase it.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see, do we have some options here? Lower.
Nice.
Please. Lower, please. Can I get some
Yeah, sure,
some
dude.
soda? Chakra provider props, dude. Alright, so let's see it in action. I'm just going to go crazy with the text, so just to have a lot of content. Now the IDs are all the same. Don't you need to generate the anchor too? I probably should.
Here you go.
So this is what 1S. This is with 2S. 3S. Reload. Do I have another one?
Yeah.
4,
And another one.
5.
And I
There
think,
we go.
Yeah.
So reload. So we're going to jump on the 3 S's.
No. No.
Probably because it's not a link. Or is it? H3?
3. It's not a link.
It's not a link. Probably, yeah. Name slug.
Now it works.
Dude. Alright, let's check out props. Yeah? Alright, so let's go to the bottom of the page. Again?
Yeah.
No. Is not assignable to type blah blah blah. Name does not exist on type intrinsic attributes. What do you... Should I do the next link thingy?
Maybe you should, yeah.
Maybe we should.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's weird.
Yeah, probably no. I think not. I think it's just the style of it. Let's do next link. Next link.
Copy that and pass the href.
Bim, pass, href, and go to town.
Yep.
Come on, dude.
What?
No, it's not missing. I just provided it. Yeah, let's just reload.
Yeah.
Okay. Top of the page. Chakra provider props. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bottom of the page.
Nice.
Here's the footer. We'll go to the top of the page now. Beautiful. Why do you need a next link if the link is really an anchor for the front end just to jump around? Yeah, I know. I just added it because I'm an idiot, but we can definitely change it. Next link. Maybe we can just do an A, right? And then we don't actually need
the link
to the
component.
pass. Let's see. It's better to actually use an ordinary A tag, because what if I want to, create a new project that's not going to be a Next.js project and then do copy paste of this file.
Yeah.
There we go.
Nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Footer.
That's it.
Guys, we're done.
Yeah.
All right, no, we're far from done.
Yeah.
We do have this cool thingy in the design.
The progress bar.
Yeah.
In a way.
The progress bar. Right, but maybe we should do that later in the next. Yeah, we should do that in the next. What else? Sorry, we're still not done here. The heading is still just rendered as
text. That was the main issue here.
That was the main issue. Yeah, we just got carried away. So yeah, or reading time. Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe there's like a package for it, or a plugin for, I don't know, for the metadata, the matter function. I don't know. We'll check it out. It's a cool thing, anyways. All right, so and then we have the anchor here, and there's the H3. Maybe we should just separate those.
Yeah.
So instead of doing
exactly. Yeah,
so
just separate them.
This, and let's do this instead. What do you guys think? Oh, come on.
Now we put it on new line.
It's an A tag. Again an A. What? We have a link in a link. And then we have a bunch of errors.
Yeah.
Alright, so we have a link in a link.
Because...
Well, that's...
Come on, man.
The link, turns out it is a link.
Yeah, let's just remove it.
Just get rid of the topmost link. Reload. All right, take 100. We have one link. We have the H3.
Why is
Well,
it?
it's Chakra H2. It's not the heading.
Ah, yeah.
Right? And it claims it has props. Let's see. H2 as H3. It's rendered as H3. That's okay. That's okay. Apply MDX H3, and then there's children and CSS and nothing else. So this apply thingy, what do you think? What did you say it was?
I think it's which MDX component to override. So like the heading. MDX apply.
Let's
yeah,
see.
MDX H3. Maybe we can check it out in the code, I guess.
Yeah. This will apply styles defined in theme styles H3.
So as a linked heading. What is linked?
Okay, so styles H3 will apply the styles defined in theme styles H3. Right?
Yeah.
So that means we need to go to the theme. Right? And probably do MDX and then H3. Right? And then, well, let's see color red 500. if that gets applied.
Yeah.
It actually does, right?
Yep.
So that's the apply. And we have 0 apply stuff here. But we can do it, right? Let's say. We don't want to do any colors. Oh, dude, wait a minute.
Maybe.
H2, that's the CSS. That's the apply thing. Where's the apply thing? Props, right?
Yeah.
Display inline.
Yeah.
Because
that,
it pushes the
yeah,
it
yeah.
pushes the span. And now we can go back and define all of these, right? So we can do size.
Do you have this defined in your old project maybe?
No, I don't.
No.
Because I didn't know what it did back then.
Okay.
So size. I don't know, man. Let's try 3XL.
Yeah.
Is that going to make sense? No, it
no,
won't.
it won't.
Maybe we should do font size.
Yeah, exactly. Nice.
Nice.
We
probably wanna use a heading instead of the Chakra H2. Right?
And the size should be.
Because we want the font to be bold.
Yeah, yeah.
Here's the heading. It applies these styles here. Okay, nice. And now we just need to define the sizes. So this is a
MD.
MD, right? MD, and the actual text is an H3 tag. So we should like define the scale now.
Yeah.
All right, let's do H1 first, right? So 3XL can make sense. Like, let's do font size.
I guess
just XL. We'll just jump.
Yeah, and then
one.
just MD.
Yeah, font size, MD.
And H4.
I'm not sure if we'll just ever reach.
Yeah, I think H4 is like should be the smallest.
Yeah. And now let's also test it out. So this is a big text because it's large, of course, dude. This is a second heading, or H2 to be more precise. 3 hashtags for Mr. Andre.
And
I'm so rare, you
won't find me.
won't actually. God damn.
Nice.
So let's see. Technically everything should be.
Hey, Bajay.
Dude, how's it going, dude? Alright, so issues.
H1.
Yeah, you know why?
Because
check
we're
it
not
out.
using the component, heading component.
Yeah, we're not using the. God damn. Alright, so we'll just do this.
H1, yeah.
Actually, H4. Nice. All of these have the same size.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why are we seeing all of these as the same font? Also, they should probably not be larger than the title itself, right?
Yeah. So maybe even smaller. But why is it not getting?
The titles? What was the title size?
Should be
LG. This is set to 3XL, but what's the actual font size? 36 pixels versus 30 pixels, so that's not much of a difference, right? Let's check it out.
But wait.
Here's the H1. Here's the H2, right? It's always 4XL. You see that?
Yeah.
You see that?
Why is it like this?
Why?
4XL.
It's always 4XL.
But wait, maybe we're not overriding correctly. What if you go to the link heading? Okay, It's a heading and it's passing props.
Yeah, and the props are... Yeah, let's see. Console.log. Dude, props, what the fuck?
But wait. It says Chakra props and H2 then. But yeah, I don't think it matters.
We'll see.
Yeah.
So that's... Yeah, as H3, apply MDX H3 children Chakra provider props, right? And that's it, you know. I'm not sure where it inherits. W Lard, thanks for the follow.
Are we rendering those inside of a heading?
We are. Chakra heading.
Yeah.
And it's probably...
Oh.
You mean like heading, linked heading?
Because we're passing the children.
H2. No, it's actually okay. Like here's the anchor and then here's the H2, right? Then here's the anchor and then here's the H3. But the idea is probably here where the font size... Yeah, man, all right. I got it.
Yeah.
We don't actually need to use the chakra heading here. We can just do chakra H1. The S prop will get applied.
There we go.
Of course,
Nice.
and we'll just do the, font thingy.
The font weight.
Yeah. Awesome. All right. We got it working. So, font family equals heading. Dude.
Ooh.
All right.
Oh yeah, it actually applied the...
Text should be 700. Right?
What's scroll margin giving you? Yeah, I wanted to ask about that.
No clue. This is a copy pasted, so let's learn it together. The scroll margin block shorthand property sets the scroll margins of an element in the block dimension. No clue, dude. But here's a link that we can go down the rabbit hole. So scroll margin block shorthand. Let's just see. All right, scroll 20 pixels.
Is it faster or?
Wait.
Oh.
It snaps.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
No. Check it out. I'm going to release the scroll here.
Yeah.
See? It goes down 20 pixels.
Yep.
And here's the 2M and 0.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it kind of snaps.
Yeah.
It's like paginated scroll.
This is actually nice.
It is, yeah. I have no clue why it actually exists. Yeah, let's just get
Let's just remove it.
We don't understand that. That was not part of the,
Yeah.
And I guess, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Why would you have it on a heading?
There we go, man.
Yeah.
All right, so another thing as well, the text has a different style. I mean, this is like gray 800. 800? Yeah, 800.
Yeah, 800.
And I believe we added that where? 700 or white.
Yeah.
For the heading and the text, right? And those are the components.
So
we can just do this?
Yeah.
Okay, but there was like we have the props here, right? Okay.
Oh yeah.
It should use H2s and downwards, exactly. So this is H1. But yeah, you are actually right. We should be doing this instead. And that's like a rule that I need to, I need to adhere to. It's like on my
agenda,
responsibility. But how do we do this? Maybe we could like, let's check this. Well,
Yeah, if it doesn't work like this, I have another solution in mind. But let's see it. It got smaller, but
It doesn't actually work,
it doesn't
right?
work.
Okay, because it's not taking the props. What if the props are like here? I don't know. Maybe they are. No, they're not.
No, what if we apply it to the component directly?
Yeah, but I wanted to make it. All right, doesn't
Yeah.
we have to. Yeah. It makes sense, dude. It makes sense. Let's do that instead. Okay, so let's go back here. Use color mode value. Linked heading. So instead of H1, you just use a box.
Yeah.
And then do color. Sorry.
Nice.
Hey, dude.
Yeah, it works.
All right, so we got like 2, 3, and 4.
Damn, dude, you got 400 views.
Yeah, all of these are from me. Yeah, S mode.
Yeah.
I just copy pasted it, you know. But yeah, I mean, we already have it imported. Use color mode value. All right, I guess this works, man.
Yeah.
I guess this works. Let's see. 20 pixels, right? What about the design? MD, 20 pixels. That's actually correct.
Yeah. I have a suggestion. Why don't we check this out on mobile?
We definitely should.
Yeah. I love Poppins.
All right, the smallest phone
In the world.
to be ever produced.
Okay. I mean,
Nice.
it's
scrolls from the
yeah, it's
inside.
actually responsive, dude.
There
And
we
the
go.
table is responsive as well.
It's scrolling
Yeah.
horizontally, but yeah, nothing goes out.
Check the blog listing page as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we can work on it, but
What
it's
if What if it's like? What if we did this?
yeah, a longer title. Yeah, it should just
Yeah. So this one is centered, and this
Yeah.
is how it looks. Okay. Yeah. I guess it makes sense. Or we can just like
yeah.
flip it. No, I don't want to flip it. This is okay.
Yeah.
All right. So are we happy with this? I think I am happy with this.
We recreated hash node, dude.
Dude. That's it. You can see the code on mobile, but if
Yeah.
you were to see the code, you should be doing this instead.
Yeah.
Then you do this with your finger, so you can read my codes in a better format. Nice. All right. Ooh, okay. I'm tired, man.
Yeah, we tackled a lot, and we said it's a bad day, but we did a lot of
We
work.
actually, yeah. My head doesn't hurt anymore.
Yeah.
I don't have any headaches.
Yeah.
Dude. I love
Thanks,
this, man.
Abnormal.
I love this. This is progress right here.
Yeah.
This is progress right here. Wait a minute. So it's large, 30 pixels. Large 30 pixels. And this one we already confirmed it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
20 pixels.
So,
God damn. 20
yeah.
pixels.
What do we have left in the pages?
What do we have left?
Yeah.
We are going to work
On
again
this,
on the blog post.
yeah,
Yeah, so
yeah.
we're not really done here.
Yeah.
we're gonna keep working on the blog post. So next stream, guys, finishing the actual progress, we're going to use Framer Motion. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Definitely. But yeah, next stream, because we got everything, almost everything. Like let's see some lists. Let's see some lists. So tech, we want to do tech stack, right? And this will be a link. React, I don't know. React.js.org. Is this the link?
Yeah.
It is the link. Yeah. So what else? Next.js, right? Nextjs.org. Is this the link? Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. Chakra UI. Right?
Yeah.
This is a list. Let's see how lists look with links. Okay, we can work on the list, yeah. Because I don't want the bullet points to go out.
Yeah, exactly.
But we can work on it in the next stream. We're just going to take a peek and see what's up. And this is probably what's happening. The style of the
hanging indent.
Hanging indent. So yeah, but yeah, I don't know. List style disk. So margin block starts. Maybe that's like the thing. Yeah, that's actually the thing that we saw.
It's default.
Yeah, we can work on the list components. Maybe we should like write a markdown content that actually uses all of this stuff, like for using, or we can try to find the markdown code that actually demonstrates all of this stuff.
Yeah.
Because there's also like block quotes, I guess. And we use the chakra alert for that. See?
Yeah.
So I can write in this thing right here, you know, and all of these stuff. What else do we have? Here's the block quote. It's an alert, right? There's a table, and we already see the table here.
Yeah.
There's a keyboard, right?
Yep.
And we can do, I don't know, block quotes. I guess KBD. KBD.
Let's try it.
Nope.
Nah.
How is this KBD? Well, in that case, maybe it's like the lowercase, because that's how it's defined, I guess.
Yeah.
Ooh. All right. It's like stretched out.
But
the longest, the widest button, but
yeah.
Yeah, but Aaron, it makes sense. Like the hanging indent, it's actually preferred in typography design, so the eye can follow the text better. Yeah, dude. Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, just these padding, the padding. If I bring out the text here, like lose the padding, but then do the padding outside.
Yeah.
Hey, Vidal, thanks for the follow. But yeah, it does make sense. Here's a keyboard button if you need one. And I'll do a dot.
Now it should be... Yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's like, let's actually see that. We have a padding of 4 here, right? We should do like probably margin of -4. Right? Let's go in dark mode to actually see it better.
It's really close.
No, you can compare it to the 1, but we're actually here.
Oh, yeah.
Right? So here's the text and here's the outdented. Right, and then here's the list.
16, yeah.
Maybe we can even do the block codes. It's just the item should have a padding, but the parent should have a negative margin. That's
Yeah.
that equals the child's padding. Yeah. Yeah, and also the block quote as well. And that's the alert function, I mean the alert thingy. Okay. So the B lines up, yeah. So let's see. Block quote. The padding is 12, right? There's some weird margin top, margin Y. We'll just do, if that's 12 pixels, we'll do -3.
Yeah.
All right. It doesn't actually wanna. Yeah, but we. What if we place it after the prompts? Or we should like use a. Yeah, we should probably use like a parent of some sorts, right? Let's try to use a box to maybe see if it makes sense. So margin would be -3. Dude. Like, come on.
Why is it not working?
It worked for...
The stack is killing it.
Probably, yeah. I mean, it worked for the code, right?
Oh.
But there's a different thing right here,
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So maybe we can just do this instead. So the stack can attack the... Yeah. Alright, let's see. It's not really.
Yeah.
There's something else.
Oh,
it's actually the line, dude. It's actually this yellow line.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's the yeah. There's like a left border of 4, so it's like 16 on the left, right? So we'll do ML is -4, but everything else is 3. But we actually want to use ML, just ML, right?
Oh, yeah.
Because that's what matters.
Let's check it out. I think it is alignment.
There we go.
Yes.
Alignment. You'll want... Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
MX, exactly.
Yeah,
So this one aligns... Okay, well then let's check out the code as well. Where are we? MX. Okay, so the spacing is chill.
Yeah.
But check out the code and check out the...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you see here's where the code ends.
Yeah.
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 Maybe it's... Now we can just do, I guess, with full, because the parent, here's the alert, the parent, oh. Alright, you see that?
Yeah.
You see that? So the alert is a margin of 32. And that's the box, right?
Yeah.
And that's cool. But then we have the block quotes. And there's a -16.
Is that what's messing it up?
No, probably not.
There's like this. No.
Not really. There's a padding of 16, but that's...
Yeah.
It is annoying, man.
Yeah.
Block quote. Rounded 4. As block quote. Variant. Status warning. Roll none. MX -4. All right, so let's just check again. This is the parent here, and the alignment is correct in the three cases: the list, the block quote, and the code. The code goes out on the right, but the block quote doesn't. So it's like the width of the block quote is still like just 100 pixels, right? Like there it is. I'll just get rid of this. Yeah. It has a width. See that?
Oh.
So we should probably do width is unset.
Unset.
Yeah. Because
Damn, dude.
it's the 100% of the parent.
Yeah.
But when and the parent is X, right? So when we do the negative margin, the width doesn't change, right? So that's the gap right there.
Makes sense.
There we go. There we go, guys.
Nice.
All right, so here is the actual parent, right?
Yeah.
Should be something like this. Yeah. Something like this. And here's where the elements are bleeding out of the parent with the negative margin.
Beautiful.
Oh, guys. All right. Beautiful. Now we're talking.
Yeah.
Awesome, guys. All right. Oh, man. We are so tired. Yeah. Let's put an end to this stream now.
Yeah. This was an amazing stream.
Yeah,
I
and
learned
really
so much
productive as
about
well. You know,
paintings.
we took a swing at the blog posts.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Aaron.
Yeah, and thanks a lot, man. It makes total sense.
Yeah.
Right, so next stream, I don't know, Tuesday,
Yeah.
Wednesday, something like that, like midweek.
Yeah, definitely midweek we can
Midweek, you know, just to shake things up so
Yeah.
we can get to the end of the week.
Okay.
But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, all 8 of you.
do. Yeah.
I had fun today.
Yeah.
I hope you had fun too. And see you again in a few days. Yeah, thanks. And thank you so much, Aaron, for all the suggestions,
Yeah.
man. Thank you so much.
You helped us a lot.
Yeah. Awesome. All right, so everybody go to sleep and talk to you later.
Bye bye.
Peace out.